Okay, problem two is pretty easy. Problem two is the one with Indiana Jones and his 3,000 kilogram German army truck. So one is 3,000 kilograms, and he is initially driving at 80 kilometers per hour. So 80 kilometers per hour. And he runs into the back of a German staff car, which is that mass. And they are going at, U2 is 50 kilometers per hour. And so we want to find the change in the truck speed and the change in the car speed. So this is an inelastic collision. They stick together, which means our second condition here is v1 equals v2. So remember, for any collision, conservation of momentum is always true. And then the elasticity of the collision gives you the other equation that you can use to solve. So this is our inelastic collision equation, and our conservation of momentum equation then is m1u1 plus m2u2 equals, and I'm just going to put them both together and say it's one big chunk of metal now moving at the speed of v, at least immediately after the collision. Okay, so the other thing that might be kind of useful to know here is that you don't actually need to change units here. If you're comfortable answering kilometers per hour, then you're fine, because when you multiply mass times u for Indiana Jones, then you get 240,000, so it is a lot of things, kilogram kilometers per hour, which is kind of strange unit side bit. Okay, but and then you also get for the German truck, you get, looks like 75,000 kilogram kilometers per hour. Okay, and that's going to equal the total mass of these guys, which is 4,500 kilograms times their final speed. So 240 plus 75 gives you 315,000 kilometers per hour, and that's going to equal 4,500 kilograms times v. So let's see, let's cancel out two zeros there. So 3150. Let's see. We can factor out a 15, so this will be a 3, and this will be 21. So, oh, no, 210. That's right. Okay, so yeah, this makes sense. So v is going to be equal to 70 kilometers. That's not, it's a horrible 7. 70, and the kilograms here cancels kilograms, so 70 kilometers per hour is your final speed. So change in speed for Indiana Jones is 80 minus, or sorry, no, it's his final speed, which is 70 minus 80 kilometers per hour. And so that's negative 10 kilometers per hour. And change in speed for the German army truck was, well, I went from 50 up to 70. I'm just going to write it 20 kilometers per hour. So I guess the only real lesson from this is how to do inelastic collisions. And also, using kilometers per hour for units of momentum is perfectly fine. It works. Okay, that's all.